i35equipment.com. This case TV370 tracked compact loader skid steer, stock number 44. Welcome you to come look at this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to come if you like. It is shown by appointment only, and we are open by appointment only, so please give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, please fill out the form on our website, or call, text, or email with that full delivery address. We'll share that delivery address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back with the best hauling rate that comes to us. Or you can arrange for your own shipping, or if you're so equipped, come pick it up for yourself. Machine runs and operates excellent, has rubber tracks, joystick controls, and those control patterns are switchable. See, it does have that rear work light on it. We do specialize in consignment sales here, so if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, help you get your machinery sold. We have folks all over the country looking for good, ready-to-work equipment. Just give us a call or fill out the form on our website to learn more about our consignment service. It does have the auxiliary hydraulics, so you can attach a variety of attachments to it. Made in America machine with lots of power, ready to work today. Reversal arm. Excellent machine for the ranch or the construction site. We're going to take a look around, let him climb out, and then when he's out of there, we'll take a look inside the operator station. Let's check out these tracks and undercarriage. It's real good. Auxiliary hydraulic pickup. Case factory seat. Foot decelerator pedal. Throttle. Work lights. Switchable control patterns. Currently sitting at 1941 hours. Only lights you'll see are the parking brake, because I haven't engaged it yet, and the seatbelt light, because I haven't put that on yet. So, no issues, no concerns. Here's a look at your controls. The engine for them. Same here on this side. Appreciate you taking the time to watch. Hope this video was beneficial to you. Like I said, you can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.